What is happening, guys? So this is something different. Me on a highway. It's a little breezy out today, and right now it's about 59 degrees. So today we are doing something different. We are meeting up, hopefully if everything goes and everybody shows, we are meeting up with some fellow Kawasaki Vaquero riders. Now, I'm supposed to be there at 12 o'clock and it is 12 o'clock right now. I'm like 4 or 5 minutes away. Yeah, I left the house, go get gas, and front tire felt a little soft. So I went to the gas station, got gas, put my money in the machine, and I could not bend the nozzle to get to the valve stem on my front tire. So the gas station's only a couple blocks away from the house. So I went back to the house, got the compressor out, and put air in it. Yes, yes, yes. Before you say anything, I know I should have checked it before I left, but I was a dumbass. I rode the other day and I figured it was good. So yeah, so I'm a dumbass. You can say it. I know I am. It's all good. So like I said, I will be like 5 minutes late. Hope the dude doesn't think, I hope anybody doesn't think I'm dissing him, but I'm not, because I will be there. For a Sunday at noon, there's a shit ton of traffic out here. They were meeting up here at the Wawa. I seem to meet a lot of people at Wawas, but I guess that's just a staple around this area, these neck of the woods. I see one over there. Hey, puppy dog. Make sure nobody's in the back. And nobody's in the back. Get you in a bit. Alright guys, we're back. Unfortunately only one guy showed up, but Vito, his name is Vito. He's actually a pretty cool guy. He wound up just getting a Vaquero not too long ago. So him and I are gonna go for a ride. And you'll be seeing him coming in and out of the video. That's Vito. So this all started from a Facebook group, and he had posted on Facebook, beautiful ride out here in PA. So then we got to talking and we're like, you know, it's kind of last minute, but what do you think about doing a meetup? We can start time this year. So we planned it, we met up. We were hoping a couple other people were going to show up, but they didn't. So it's just me and Vito. So we're going to take a short ride. When we get in through Valley Forge Park, if you want to stop and take any pictures, let me know.
What's that?
If you want to stop in Valley Forge Park anywhere and take pictures,
yeah.
Let me know.
Yeah.
It's kind of weird seeing a Vaquero in the rear view mirror. Since I've actually never seen a Vaquero in my rear view mirror. It's pretty weird, but it's pretty cool too. Hey, go up in through there. Gonna go up in through there. So once again, I am back in Valley Forge Park. It is a little colder than it was last time. A little less crowded. People are actually wearing more clothes than they were. And it's a bit breezy out. I don't know if you can hear that, but if you can, I apologize. Gonna go up here, do a U-B. This way the nice side of the bike is facing the arch. There's cobblestone up here, so park right there.
You want to do this to those, or you want me to turn around?
That's fine. Last time I did this picture, I dropped my phone and busted it. And I got it on video. These are nice windy roads going through Valley Forge Park. All kind of people out here with their puppies. Never been up that road. One day I'm going to go up there just to see what's up there. But it's not going to be today. So So my last video I talked about fall foliage, and as you can see, a lot of the leaves are on the ground down here. Should have came up here and did that video. So I think the last time I filmed down here was the Road Apple ride with Walton, PA, Misplaced Motor Vlogger, Trekkie Moto. Pat and Phil. Oh, and Steve. Steve joined us too. Go over the bridge, take these little back roads. Nothing's coming. Everybody out there with their dogs today. Nice little horse farm out here. Wow. That's pretty beautiful. All the horses out there playing in the field. Bet you they're enjoying themselves. Man, it's a beautiful day out today, man. There's a lot of bikers out here. I'm passing a lot of people. So Vito and I stopped to get a drink, non-alcoholic. And I forgot to put my camera bag on. So I'm sitting here talking to a camera that isn't there anymore. Go figure. So Vito's a really nice guy, and we're talking about getting together again and actually trying to get more guys to come along with us. You know, seeing if we can get even more vaquero guys coming. I mean, it doesn't necessarily have to be just vaquero guys, but it's a little niche, right? But I think next time we go, damn COVID. But I think next time we go, we'll hit his area up and go out towards Bucks County. So just wonder if you can see him in the rear view. Guess I'll find out when I download this video. So I'm gonna end it and just enjoy the rest of my ride. I've only recorded a little bit on this ride because I'm enjoying the ride. So until next time, my friends, y'all stay safe, love one another, peace.